Do you think that the Fraser Valley real estate market is slowing down? Hmm, I don't think so. Not quite. Yes, sales are down. Inventory is at a 10-year high. Oh, that could mean there's opportunity out there. But we also know that there's pent-up demand that hasn't made itself apparent. We did see that in some sales surges in December when the prime rate dropped by half a point and CMHC loosened up some of their mortgage rules. So what's going to happen next? Well, come on, let's break it down. Let's take a look at some of those market stats. Hey there, it's Andy Schildhorn, McDonald Realty, your Langley and Fraser Valley realtor. With over 30 years of real estate experience, I've seen market cycles play themselves out. And right now, as we head into the spring market, key opportunities are ahead of us. Sales have slowed, supply is surging. The Fraser Valley Real Estate Board processed 818 sales in January. That's down 17.7% from December and 12.8% year over year. And at the same time, new listings jumped 166%. Yeah, 166%. From 1,288 new listings in December to 3,432 new listings in January. That makes total inventory sitting at 7,521 homes, and that's up 15.4% from last month and 48.7% year over year. Though it's still below the September peak of 9,045 active listings. More inventory means more choices for buyers, but sellers, they still need a strong strategy to stand out. Prices remain steady for now. Despite higher inventory, prices are actually holding stable. The benchmark price for all residential homes is $964,800, and that's down slightly, 0.03% from December and 2.4% from last year. So where are home prices headed? Well, detached homes are holding steady at 1.48 million with a small uptick this month and a slight gain over last year. Townhomes, they're sitting at 826,000 and that's down slightly. Not a huge drop, but it is noticeable. And condos, well, they're sitting flat at 534,000, which is slightly lower than last year and about the same from last month. So prices are swinging wildly, but with more inventory, we could see more shifts as we head into the spring. Sales to active listings? Well, that's a buyer's market. Yes, we've dipped into a buyer's market. The sales to active listing ratio for January was 11%, and that's below the 12 to 20 range of a balanced market. So for buyers, this means more negotiating power. For sellers, pricing strategically is more important than ever. So what's next for the market? With spring approaching, more inventory potential, interest rate cuts, and more buyers entering the market, demand could shift in the coming months. This rise in inventory and steady pricing isn't unusual for January, but as the market picks up for the spring, we'll be watching for changes in demand. Let's not forget, too, that the Canadian economy is also uncertain, with recent tariff threats raising concerns. Fortunately, that's not in play right now, but it's something that need to watch as the year unfolds. Do you want a full report? Check out the latest Fraser Valley Real Estate Board market stats. I've got the link in the description below. And what are your thoughts? Are you thinking about buying or selling this spring? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your perspective on our real estate market. And where do you think it's going? If you are ready to make that next step, let's chat. Click on that link below to book a time that works for you, and we can sit down and set a plan to reach your real estate goals. If you have found this video helpful, subscribe and stay tuned for more real estate insights and updates. Let's ring that bell. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thanks for dropping by. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.